Quick Guide Air Compressor Settings for Jump X1 Pro. Switch the X1 Pro on or off by pressing the power button for 2 seconds. Setting the measuring unit. Bar or PSI or kPa. Press the select button for 2 seconds. Each 2-second push will advance to the next option. Once the required measuring unit shows on the display, this setting will be completed. The unit's setting you selected will be saved as default. Presets, Setup. Press the preset button to cycle through the preset options. SUV 1.8 to 3.5 bar. Car 1.8 to 3 bar. Bicycle 2 to 9 bar. Inflatables 0.3 to 1.1 bar. Setting a preset. As an example, how to set the SUV preset. Set the required pressure using the Adjust Plus and Adjust Minus buttons. The value set will be saved for the preset and can be updated at any time. Free range. Keep pressing the select button until all the presets are lit. Free range 0.3 to 9.9 bar. Use the plus and minus buttons to set the required pressure between 0.3 to 9.9 bar. Getting ready to pump. Screw the air compressor tube connector firmly into the X1 Pro Air outlet. Connect the air clamp to the tire valve. Use the plus and minus buttons to set the required pressure between 0.3 to 9.9 bar. X1 Pro will display 00 while it's waiting to measure the tire pressure. Soon as the air clamp is connected to a tire or an inflatable, the X1 Pro will display the current measured pressure. Press the power button and the compressor will start the pumping cycle and display the progress on the display. The X1 Pro will auto-switch off the pump once the set pressure is reached. Correct system operation will ensure you many years of trouble-free use. A quality product by Sanji Electronics.